You're watching Skylands, the local bird's eye view. My name is Bart, and I will be your host and pilot in command of this mission. On our docket today, we have three things. First, a new contest. Second, a rediscovery of Greenwood Lake. And third, I want to thank the Dykstra family from the Greenwood Lake Marina for allowing me to fly from their dock. You ready for the new contest? Here it goes. Did you catch that? One more time. So without further ado, sit back, relax, put your headphones on, and enjoy the show. Greenwood Lake is a breathtaking natural lake that is approximately 7 miles long and is located on the border of New York and New Jersey. It is a water source of the Wanaque River. Before it was known as Greenwood Lake, it was called KUAM-PEE-OM by the MUN-SEE native tribe who lived there before the Europeans settled during the 18th century and renamed it Long Pond. The lake was an intricate part of the Long Pond Ironworks operation, which benefited from a dam being built in 1765, which in turn increased the lake's size and increased production in the ironworks. Turns out that a larger lake also became a destination spot for tourists like BABE Ruth and the Jeter family. Fun fact, back in the day, people would travel by train only to board a steamboat that would take them across the lake to the various resorts that existed at the time. Did you know that there is an island in a lake called Chapel Island? Years ago, a church was the lone structure on the island, and it was only accessible by boat. It stood there for years before it burned down in 1948. Fast forward to today, Greenwood Lake is a vibrant, thriving lake community. It offers tons of outdoor fun and adventures and offers something to do for everyone in the family, from hiking to boutique shopping or antiquing. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the show, hit that subscribe button and you'll see me here on our next local adventure. Pilot in command, signing off.